Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss exercise of the lesson The Inventor Who Kept His Promise. In supplementary readers, you have to read only 2 chapters, and from this part 12 marks questions you are given in 3 parts. You have to read only 2 chapters in this supplementary readers in this part. And you can get 12 marks easily if you understand lesson. You would have to understand lesson very clearly, because if you have got 12 marks, first mark very short type questions were given. Each questions would have 2 marks. You were given 3 questions and you would have to do only 2 questions in 25 words. If your answer is not complete in 25 words, you can write above 25 words, but answer very clearly. Okay, if you have other precautions book, I will tick in this book that questions you have to do, and stop your videos and note down questions and reply answers. Okay, first, why did Edison get a beating from his mother? Take first question. Why did Edison get a beating from his mother? Second, in what way did Edison find his mother the best teacher? Okay. Next, who was Edison? How did he become famous all over America? Next, what inventions were made by Edison? Make. Next, how was he dismissed from the job? Next, why did Edison join the railway? How much did he earn of the first day? Okay. Why did Edison join the railway? How much did he earn on the first day? Okay. Next, Okay, what made the teacher think that Edison was stupid and naughty? When the teacher thought Edison was stupid and naughty, what made the teacher? What is the things? And next, how did Edison serve his country during the First World War? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write answer of 8 questions very clearly. Your sentence would be corrected, I hope. Okay, next, objective types questions. First, Edison got a beating from his mother because. You reply, why did Edison get a beating from his mother? You can write from here. He had smashed the eggs and spoiled his shirt. Okay, this is answer for these questions, so you can write up these questions. Okay, next, when Edison tried his experiment on his servant girl, she began to fly. You would have to write in your copy. Okay, I will check. When Edison tried to his experiments on his servant girl, she began to fly, she began to tremble, she fell ill, she began to run. What is answer? चलिए नोट करिएगा. Edison told his teacher, but the kite have no wings and still we can fly them in the sky. It was an intelligent answer, a doubtful answer, a silly answer, a wrong answer. What is the right answer? You would have to written, okay, in your copy. Next, Edison's father gave him 25 cents for every book he read because he wanted Edison to read more. He wanted Edison to sell his books. He had failed in all his experiments. He wanted to discourage him. What is right answer? When Edison went on asking questions in the class, the teacher thought that he was trying to befool her, stupid and naughty, very intelligent, arrogant. What is right answer? If you have read your lesson very clearly, you can write all answer. Edison was taken out of school because the teacher asked his parents to withdraw him. He was dissatisfied with his teacher. He was a weak student. He did not like school. Okay, you would have to write. Electric light shown for the first time in America in. Okay, I repeated again and again. Learn all dates. 1882, 1872, 1880, 1878. What is the date? When electric light shone for the first time in America in. Okay. Edison was fond of telling stories, making experiments, playing games, flying kites. What is? Edison succeeded in making electric bulb after nearly 1000 experiments. 2000 experiments, 1200 experiments. What is the right answer? Right. The silver jubilee of the inventions of electric bulb was celebrated in okay, right. Write the date when silver jubilee was है ना celebrated. Edison died on okay, right. The teacher thought that Edison was stubborn, a genius, very mischievous, stupid and naughty. This is repeated questions for you. Okay. Objective questions. Were given you in your exams. It contains 4 marks. Okay. Next, true and false. It contains 4 marks. Okay. If you have book of this Prakashan, you can tick in your book. But when I will check your book, you would have present before me. If you have other Prakashan book, note down all questions and tick in your copy. I will check. As a child, Edison was not fond of asking questions. True or false? As a child, Edison was not fond of asking questions. This is wrong. This is false. Edison was fond of asking questions. What he saw? जो कुछ वो देखता था. Even in his childhood, Edison loved to do experiments. Correct? True? Okay. The teacher asked his parents not to take him out of school. Tick true or false. Write true or false. In your copy, in your exams, you would have to write first of all questions and against write true or false. Only you would not have to write true or false. You would have to true or false with the questions. The teacher asked his parents not to take him out of the school. True or false? Take. Edison found in his mother his best teacher. True or false? Write true or false. Okay. Edison was never satisfied till he got the right answer. Good. Edison was dismissed from his job. True or false? Note down. Okay, there are lot of questions. Please note down all questions. चलिए, if you have a large question, तो I will tick what is necessary for you. And if you have this Prakashan book, you can note down, you can tick all questions. But you have other Prakashan books, you can write tick questions. Tick. Oh, tick. Okay. Tick. This way tick. This tick. tick, tick. Okay, and tick. Okay, there are many questions. And take it. Next, complete the spelling of the following words. This word in dash ent dash r. You will understand. exp dash r dash meant. Okay, you better understand. pat doz. Okay. Okay, write opposite words of the following: stupid, award, succeed, prosperous, encourage, receive. Okay, there are lot of questions for you. If you have any problem in all questions, please ask. Please tell me your problems. I will solve this, but you would have all questions what was given you. Okay. Okay, thank you very much.